What's up, money growers? Jacob back here with another video coming to you guys today talking about Navy Federal Credit Union and the most desirable and most prestigious card that they actually have of all the six that they offer, and that is the Visa Signature Flagship Rewards Credit Card. What a heck of a long name, right? This is the credit card that goes up to an $80,000 limit. So we're going to be talking about this card today, give you guys some good background info on it. So go ahead, hit the thumbs up button. Tell me if you have this card down in the comment section below or any card you have with Navy Federal. So we're going to go over some stuff about this card because this is actually the one and only card I currently have with Navy Federal. Some things you need to know that are important, and also a mistake that I learned when it came to this card and Navy Federal credit cards in general that I have to correct from another video. So let's talk about this. For those of you who don't know, Navy Federal does have 6 credit cards they offer, okay? And you can join Navy Federal whether you're military or civilian, all right? They have a whole list on their website. I've talked about it in videos before, how civilians can join. There's different ways you can join and that kind of thing. But what we're going to be talking about today is when you are a member, this is the card that a lot of people want to try and get. Now, even if you have bad credit, you need to build up. You can start off with a secured card, okay, and you can work your way up from there to try to get either a cash rewards or a go rewards card. After typically about 6 months, your card can graduate. If you're doing well, they'll usually give you an increase after 3 months on the secured card, but after 6 months, up to a year, you can graduate to another card. Now, if you keep building that rapport, that relationship with Navy Federal, showing them you're responsible, showing them that you're good with handling your money, then you can work your way up to this card right here, the Flagship Rewards card. This card is popular when it comes to travel, and this is definitely the card that I use when I'm traveling, because of the points you get. I get more points with this card than I do with any of my Chase cards. So it's really cool that this is such a valuable card that Navy Federal offers. And really, for just a $49 annual fee, it's the only one of their cards that has an annual fee, and it's only $49. So here's what they're offering as of the moment with this card, okay? Now, you can earn 40,000 bonus points, and you get 3 times the points on travel purchases. This is why I use it for travel. This is my card that I use when I take Uber, when I take Lyft, when I book a flight. This is the one that I use. I used this to buy a bus pass the other day, and I got triple the points on that as well. Hotels, any of that stuff. Airbnb. So if you're doing short-term stay, hey, this is the card to use to get triple points on this. Because I tend to like to get cash back is what I like to do, exchange the points for cash. And I get the same cash back on these as I do with my Chase cards. So, if I get 1 point, what doesn't show here? 1 point on everything else with my Chase card, and I get 2 points with everything else on this card. We'll go through that in just a moment. So we'll scroll down here. It says this card is best for maximizing your rewards. Yes, it is. Best for travel. Yes, it is. What you're going to need is very good to excellent credit on this card. So you probably want to be in that like 740 range or above. That's where I was when I applied for this card. I think I was in the 750s or 760s when I applied for this. And I'd been with Navy Federal for about a year and a half at that point. So I'd been with Navy Federal, had direct deposit with them, a checking account, savings account. But really, that was it. I had no credit cards with them. This is the first one I applied for. And the limit I got was $7,100. So a lot of people have said you get these high limits with Navy Federal. I went for the highest card they had right off the bat. Limit only $7,100, but that can be built up over time to $80,000. Now, here's the correction that I have to make from a video that I already took down, because when I spoke to a Navy Federal representative a couple weeks ago, she told me that you can have more than one of the same credit card with Navy Federal, which is possible. You can do that. And so with the Flagship card, I was like, wait, so I could have 3 Flagship cards and each card be up to $80,000 credit limit? And she goes, yeah, you could. And I was like, wow, I could have a $240,000 limit with Navy Federal. That's not the case. Some people did correct that in the comments section. I appreciate you for doing that, because I called Navy Federal back today twice to ask this to other reps. One of them had to put me on hold and look it up to make sure. And the other one, she just looked it up right away, and they both said yes. Across all of your cards with Navy Federal, you can have up to $80,000 in limits. So whether you have one credit card, the Flagship, that goes up to $80,000, or you have 3 Flagship cards, 1 Flagship, 1 Go Rewards, 1 Cash Rewards, all of your cards, your personal cards, Navy Federal is the primary, can add up to $80,000 and no more. If you get authorized, become authorized user, then on someone else's card, then you can go over that. But for you as the primary, that's what you're getting is $80,000. And with Navy Federal, I asked the lady too, I said, relationship banking with Navy Federal, if I have one credit card product or three credit card products, and I get that limit up to 80,000, does it really matter to them? How do they look upon that? She says, really, she goes, as long as we look at the income. So, or, how much you're spending on the card versus how much you owe. So, if you can keep getting increases based on your income to justify it, and you're being responsible with whatever the limit you have is, whether it's that limit is across one card or three cards, she said that's all that really matters to them. So it doesn't have to be something where you think you need to get three cards in order to improve your relationship. That's what I was told. Now, as we look a little bit deeper on the card here, you can see if you pre-qualify. This will not just for this card, but any of their cards. So you're going to put in your info, your stated income. When I did it, I was not asked to show any documents, and this will tell you which of the 6 cards you pre-qualify for. So I was able to pre-qualify for all 6 when I did it. Talks about the rates, the fees, and the rewards down here. This interest rate, 9.99 to 18%. That's the highest Navy Federal has on any of their cards is 18%. You have your $49 annual fee, the no balance transfer fees, the no foreign transaction fees, the no cash advance fees, and these rewards here, the triple points on travel, which is why I like to use this for travel, and then 2 points and everything else. To me, this part's really cool because, like I said, this is double the amount of points I get, on my other cards, like my Chase Sapphire Preferred is 1 point and everything else. My Southwest card is, I think, 2 points if I buy. 2 points if I buy on Southwest, and then 1 and everything else. So, this is a heck of a good card to have. Then you get up to $100 for the global entry or TSA pre-check, which I'd bought that already anyway, a couple years ago. And it just talks about here. This is one of the best military cards for travel rewards. This is from 2018. Some of the other things they offer here: no rewards limit. The points you can redeem them for cash, travel, gift cards, merchandise. They have the automatic travel accident insurance, cell phone protection. The rewards, they don't expire while the account is open. You receive a statement credit for up to $100, travel and emergency assistance, all that fun stuff. Now, if we come up here, we'll see the offer details. Now, this could be good because a lot of you maybe for the holiday season would like this card. Because of the money you're going to be spending, you get some cash back on this. You get a good chunk of points. This could be a great card for holiday spending for a lot of you, and really just a good card to have overall. Now, the bonus they're offering right now, this actually changed a little bit. You get 40,000 bonus points, which you can redeem for $400 if you'd like, when you spend 4,000 within 90 days of opening your account. Before this, I think it was $3,000 within 90 days. So 3,000, 4,000, somewhere in that ballpark. This currently expires November 1st. So you have a couple of weeks on this. They may, who knows, maybe they'll drop this back to 3,000. Who knows? We'll see. But it'll probably be somewhere in that ballpark. Again, the triple points on travel, whether it's everyday commuting or you're a seasoned jet setter. It talks about you can use it to purchase an Amazon Prime membership, and they'll reimburse you for the cost. So it's $130 value. If you already have Prime, you just renew your membership, and then they'll credit your account. So this is really what, this is big for a lot of people, this card that they have here. And as far as being, the most desirable card they have. So, and if you want, you can get 3 of these cards. If you can get 3 of them, but remember, all 3 are still only going to add up to $80,000 total credit limit. So really, when it comes to that, if you want to get more than one card, the only big thing is if you just want to get these sign-up bonuses. So, if you have a flagship card already, and maybe you've had it for a year and you want to get another one because you want to get 40,000 points and get another $400 cash back. That's really the only big incentive I see. Other than that, you could do, the Go rewards, the more rewards, the cash rewards, or some people like to use the Platinum card because they want to take advantage of the fact that they can do a balance transfer on there. So they can do balance transfer with no fees. So they can basically use it as like a, way to get a loan, a 0% interest loan for up to 12 months. So, that's one of the big things with this card, why people like it, why they love it with Navy Federal. Again, if you're military, you can join. If you're you can actually join before you even go to basic training. If you're just in DEP, delayed entry program, for whatever branch you're in. And then I think pretty much every branch when you go to basic training will sign you up for this. Not just Navy. Somebody in the comments said Army does it too. So you'll have a chance to sign up for this in basic training. But even if you're a civilian, you can do it. If you're a DoD contractor, certain employee groups are eligible to join as well. There's a lot of different ways you can get in. Even if you have a grandparent who was in the military, they're going to ask to see a DD-214 when it comes to that. But, there's a lot of big benefits to this. So, I mean, the no fees are a huge one. I mean, Navy Federal, they're not the biggest and, most popular credit union by accident. So people love a lot of the things they offer, a lot of the services that they offer. Two people joining, and this is really one of the best ones as far as the credit cards are concerned. So tell me what you think about this credit card. Tell me if you have this, what other credit cards you have. Do you have one card, three cards, anything like that when it comes to Navy Federal? I'd really like to hear what you have to say. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being so awesome. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. I'm happy to have you here, and I will see you again soon.